Google Chrome has owned the web for as long as we can remember. No real rival, no real threat. But that might be about to change as ChatGPT Atlas is stepping in, and it could finally give Chrome something to worry about. OpenAI has been rumored to be working on its own browser for months. The new AI-driven web browser marks a big move for the company as it steps beyond its well-known ChatGPT platform and dives deep into everyday practical tools powered by its technology. AI is turning web browsers into the next big tech rivalry, as chatbots and smart assistants redefine how people search and work online. Google's long-time dominance with the Chrome is being challenged. Startups like Perplexity with its Comet browser are jumping into the race, while Google and Microsoft race to refresh Chrome and Edge with built-in AI tools to stay ahead. OpenAI has integrated ChatGPT into its new browser, allowing users to interact with web content in a more natural, dialogue-based way. On Atlas, asking for something like movie reviews bring up a chat-style answer right away, instead of the classic page full of blue links you would usually see on Google. After that, users can still jump between tabs to explore related websites, pictures, videos, or news. It's a complete reversal of the way Chrome typically presents results. The key features of Atlas, according to OpenAI, is the browser memory switch. Once you flip it on, ChatGPT stops treating every web session as a brand new. Instead, it gets smart. It remembers the context of what you were looking at, whether it was last week or just yesterday. This allows the AI to give you personalized search results, such as pages that are relevant to your past habits, or even instantly call up that article you forgot you were reading. Meanwhile, the browser's agent mode allows the AI to assess the web-based tasks such as research, data analysis, trip planning, or appointment scheduling. Users can observe the agent as it works and, if needed, pause its action or take over control at any time. The agent mode is only available to Plus and Pro users. At the moment, OpenAI's browser is limited to Mac OS users, but the developers have promised that the version for Windows desktop and all mobile devices, including Android phones and iPhones, will be launched in the near future.